Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you have learned something from my previous video from the day one where I shared only two simple things. That was not that simple, but yeah, just two things to improve my English and your English too. I hope you have learned something new. So today is day two and I am going to do two different things and it is going to be very easy this time. Don't worry about it. And yeah, let's jump into the video. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I will just pick one English song and I will listen to that song throughout the day. Whole day I will listen one English song, only one English song. I will try to listen it again and no, I will not try to listen. I will try to sing it along with the song. Yes. So what I will do, I will just see. I have picked one song which is Dracula by Jenny and Tame Impala. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. But yeah, Dracula by Jenny. Okay. So I'm going to listen this song. Excuse me. I'm going to listen this song whole day with the lyrics, and at the end of the day, I will be singing along with the song. Are you getting it? Yes. Mostly people will think, oh, how can someone learn English from songs? You know, it's not ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. Maybe many people think like that. But let me tell you about one thing about myself that I have learned so many songs, and by learning and listening and singing to songs is helped me with developing this accent. I developed this accent by only singing to English songs. Yes, you heard me right. You like the accent you are hearing me right now. I developed it by singing to English songs. Yes. So this is how I will listen to the song. I will just connect it from my headphone. I don't know when I purchased this. When I got my money, my payment, when I used to teach student, like there were 3 to 4 students I used to teach them, and then I got my second or third payment, and I bought this boat headphones for myself. I don't use it anymore, but yeah, I do use it, but not that much that I used to do. Okay, uh, um, how to on it? I hope you're liking this series that only two things to improve your English, because mostly people don't have time to practice. They don't have time to, to to get free time to practice. So yeah, I will listen to this song. I will try to sing it along with the song. Wait, this is the song, and trust me, I haven't learned this song yet, but this is very trending right now. Okay. Let me give one more thing to you guys. That if you're a boy watching this video and you are a beginner, you haven't you're not into listening to English songs, then you can start with just these one. Just pick any one of these songs and sing that song throughout whole day. I mean, yeah. And don't worry, if you're a girl, you can pick any one of these lists. Okay, if these are for boys and these are for girls. Okay, don't worry, I got you. So this is, make sure when you're searching any song, search it with the lyrics. See, here is the lyrics. Okay, and if you want, you can write the lyrics in your notebook. Okay, I used to write the lyrics in my notebook. Yes, when I was a totally beginner, when I didn't know how to pronounce a sentence, when I didn't know how to utter a sentence, how to say things in English. when I was totally a beginner. So I will listen. I'm listening to this song. See, the morning light is turning. Wait. The morning light is turning blue. The morning light is turning blue. The feeling is bizarre. The night is almost over. I still don't know where you are. Trust me, I had only listened to this song only twice, and I'm able to sing the first line. Oh, but it is trending right now, so that maybe that's why. The silent thinking pretty like a movie star. Daylight makes me feel like Dracula. In the end, I would pursue with me. In the darkness, I would never leave. You will never see me in the light of day. That's why to live. The time is now. When the verge of giving and I'm magnetic. Oh, this is my favorite line, which is trending right now. Wait. I'm on the verge of giving and I'm back to the car. Now I'm a mascaras, my fucking Pablo Escobar. My friends are saying, shut up, Jenny, just ran in the car. I just wanna be right where you are. So I just told you, I'm sorry because I didn't play the song in front of you guys because YouTube will give me copyright for that. So that is the reason why I was not playing the song without connecting with this headphone. Very sorry for that. But anyways, so this is the first thing that I am going to do today. What I have to do, what I am going to do is I will listen to this song throughout the day, and at the end of the day, I will sing along with the song without looking at the lyrics. Okay, so I will record one video and I will post it on short. Don't worry, and then how I am singing that song. Yeah. So the second thing. Now come to the second thing. This is I'm telling you two guys that the second thing is I'm doing is talking to the camera. Yes, talking to the camera. And if you are also an English learner, then pick up your phone and start recording your video. In that video, you can talk about your day. You can talk about your day. You can talk about how you are feeling right now. You can talk about your future goals. You can talk about why do you want to learn English? This is very important. Why do you want to learn English? You can talk about your hobbies. Fine. So, I want you to record one video talking to the camera because trust me, guys, talking to the camera helped me a lot. Yes, it helped me a lot. I used to be like a person who doesn't speak at all like this. Right now, I'm speaking without the script. Yes, and that is the most beautiful part about my learning phase of this language. I was so afraid about learning this language. I used to think like that, what if I what if I don't speak that much good, but I'm speaking. Anyhow, I'm speaking and that is good. So the second thing I want you to do, guys, pick up your phone and start recordings. At least record for 1.5 minutes if you're a beginner. Then if you're if you're starting. So just record yourself talking to the camera, talk about anything. 1 minute video is compulsory, and send that video to me through the email, via email, or on my Instagram. By the way, this is my Instagram. You can send that video to me on Instagram. I will check that video and I will give you a proper guidance. What do you want, like how do you what are the things you have to do to improve, and what the mistakes you are making in the video. I will tell you, and please don't mind, please. Okay, so what I was talking about, I was talking about I'm so low-key. Wait, send that video to me. I will check your video and I will tell you what are the mistake you are making or what you have to do in your video. Yeah, and yes, I will I will see your videos personally. I will check them. I will listen to them where you are speaking about. And please talk about without the script. Just it should be a raw video. It should be a raw video. Fine. So I hope you are liking this series. Two things. Two things I'm going to do is I'm already talking to the camera. See, without the script. So it means I added the second thing. Second thing that I did is talking to the camera. And the first thing is I will listen to that song. I'm saying it again and again. And you know guys what? Today I'm going to start journaling. Yes, journaling. I will write my thoughts before going to sleep. Yes. Because these days I overthink a lot, like a lot. I think about those things that is not going to be happen in my life, but I'm still thinking about that shitty thing. So I'm going to write my thoughts and journal. And today I will buy one diary. Yes, I want a new diary to write my thoughts. I'm not into journaling my journaling my thoughts because I don't know, but I want to do this. I want to do, yeah, I love journaling. I love those people who do journaling. I love how people write thoughts in their diary because writing your thoughts before you go to sleep, when you write your thoughts you will sleep peacefully, and I want to sleep peacefully. And from the past 1 or 2 weeks I'm not taking that सो ही नहीं पाती हूँ अच्छे से. Yeah, that is the thing I want to say. So I want to start journaling. I'm going to purchase one diary. Yeah, so stay tuned in this video. Also, do let me know guys that I made this, I guess 1 or 2 years back. How's this? Tell me in the comment box. Look, wait, I'm gonna show you. Look, I should go more back. Yeah, how's it? Is it good? Actually, I'm out in public now. I come here to purchase litti chokha. Then they said, like, the vendor, yeah, the vendor said that it will take more than 10 to 15 minutes. So me and my sister are here just to explore. And I just want to say, I used to hate my skin color, my skin tone, but now I love it. Even if I have pimples over here, some scars, but still, I love it. ऐसे ही निकल रही हो, like in this outfit. And I don't care. I don't give a fuck about people who think something about me. Whether the hair is panda. That's all I care. Oh, yeah. I don't care. I don't know. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. That's it. अरे कुछ बोलोगी? क्या बोले? Hi guys. हम हैं प्रिया की बहन. तो उससे क्या हुआ?
ये मेरी बड़ी दीदी.
ये नहीं. हाँ, सब लोग बोलता है कि हम बड़ा लगता है इससे. क्या आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think guys?
तुम बड़ी हो, मैं छोटी हूँ.
के दाम बढ़ गया. चाट हो गया 45 रुपए, दही पूरी 35 रुपए,
गैस की वजह से.
फुचका 35 रुपए में बेच रहा हुआ मुरारी.
पाँच फुचका 35 रुपए में.
में 5 को न रहता है.
बाप रे.
मुरारी ऐसे भी 30 बेचता था शुरू से. ना ये बम्बई चाट वाला ममुआ जो है भी मार्ट मलबा के सामने.
मचा ले धूम मचा ले धूम मचा ले धूम मचा ले धूम.
अच्छा है. अच्छा है.
अच्छा
क्या मेरा पूरा टी शर्ट गंदा कर दिया है. चलो कुछ चेंज करना पड़ेगा. जीन्स भी गंदा हो गया यार. शिट. मेरे को दूसरा स्टोर जाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन मैंने शो से लेना था. Just purchased one simple mini diary because I want to start something from a new diary. So that's why. It's not good. I wanted one diary from mini show. What can I do? Anyways, I want to tell you something, guys. What is happening with me today? So, first of all, I headed out from my house to purchase the diary. I was wearing the white T-shirt, but you already know that who ruined my white T-shirt. And then I again went back again to my house to change my T-shirt. And then what happened? When I came to the store, Miniso, I wanted to purchase one diary from the Miniso store, but it was closed. What is happening? But still, I purchased like this diary from a normal grocery store, and then from the past 10 to 15 minutes, I'm searching for a pen. I'm going to the store, I'm going to the grocery store to find a pen, but everyone is saying कि pen नहीं है. What do you mean pen नहीं है? Pen is the most common thing that every vendor should have. लेकिन क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? But anyways, I got one red pen. This red pen, I don't know. I wanted to write something right now. Right now. Uh, well, and what happened? Well, else what happened? Nah, nothing more. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is wrong with me. Back home, and oh, these are fakes. Okay, so I'm back home and I'm going to journal. I'm going to write my thoughts after 10 p.m. And I have made one rule for myself that after 10 p.m. I'm not going to use my phone. I'm not going to touch my phone at all after 10 p.m. So I won't be recording the video of my, like, while I'm doing journaling, while I'm writing my thoughts. So if you want, I can share, but in my next video, if only if you want. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you didn't feel bored at all, because I tried to put some extra things at the last, just because you don't feel bored. And see, my mom was watching me. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.